before we even attempt to address the elephant that's in this room, we need to drop that intro. What's up, family? This is your boy Built on the Budget, back again with another video. Want to tell you, if you're new to this channel, hit your notification bell. Make sure you got it turned on all so you can receive notifications when I post the video. Share this with other people. Give me the thumbs up. And subscribe. If you just viewing me, if you just visiting, hit that subscription button, man. We'd be glad to have you as part of the BOAB, Built on a Budget family. I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers. Picked up quite a few over in the last week. I just want to say welcome to this channel. This is a channel about being real. I'm who I am. I do what I do. I don't claim to be any type of expert. I just love what I'm doing, and I love bringing these videos to you. So if you're new, I want to say again, welcome, and thank you for choosing to support me on this platform, Built on the Budget. Welcome to the family. Everybody out there that's part of this family, give all our new subscribers a big welcome. All right, today's video is the elephant in the room that I've been looking at ever since I got this truck, baby girl, for my daughter. And it was this rust in the floor. And it's not really that bad, but it's in there. Part of the problem come from this little crack right here in this rubber where it didn't seal, and water leaked down in the corner up here, ran down, and because this truck had carpet in it, it stayed saturated, and it rusted this floorboard out pretty good. I have a new, let me see if I can't turn this around. I have a new floor pan to go in here. Maybe if I sit it out here in the sun, you can see it better. I got a new floor pan to go in, and I also have, let me get this thing turned around where I can walk in here. I also have this piece here, get back around the truck where I can show it to you. That piece there. Okay, and with this thing being rusted up around here, I went to the junkyard and I cut out a piece right there that I'm gonna try to graft in. Now, sit around here where I can talk to you for a minute. just in case you didn't know, those pieces that I have, they are for a fit all. When I say fit all, it's supposed to cover as much rust as that section can handle. But you don't have to use all of it if your floor isn't rusted all the way over to that point. If you look at this seam here, this seam, which is gonna be the inside edge, that's the outside, this is the inside. Let's look at that seam. If you come over here to my floor, here's the seam right here. Okay, my rust comes back to about right here. So how much of that floor do I need to replace? I don't really know till I start cutting it out. But I'm gonna put it in where it's gonna be solid. It might not be the way you would do it, but it's gonna be the way that I'm gonna do it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get my little cutoff wheel, I'm gonna start cutting out, and I'll turn y'all back on. Family, it been like all day, and it don't look like I got a lot done, but check this out. I got it cut out, got the beams and stuff cleaned up, got this old big piece all trimmed up, and we'll see how I can get it to fit in there now. But this is her, she cut out. That's just one piece. I still got to do this piece at the door and this around here. It's a lot of work, family. It ain't nothing that I was looking forward to doing, but hey, it got to get done. So let me forge forward, and I turn you back, right, family? All right, let me show you what I got here. Right now, I got the floor in. Man, it's been kind of hard, but you know, that's what these right here hands is for. I'm gonna make it work. I didn't have to show you this. I could have made you think it was perfect, but I got to come in and put a piece in right up here at the top, just a little bit, where I kind of cut it a little bit too much, but I got it tacked in. I taken and when I finish, I grind it down, put a little more weld on it, but got it spot welded down to the beams where it shouldn't go nowhere. And now I got to work on this piece here. I got an idea what I'm gonna do, but you know, an idea in doing it, that's two whole different ball games. But I'm gonna work on it. I just wanted to show y'all that I am making progress, and once I get her down, I turn you back on. So taking just stand by one. There you go. Now you can see me. Just stand by one, and I'll be back. I'll be back.